To enable or disable GPU load in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe down notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find developer options, and then tap developer options. Scroll down developer options screen, find GPU watts, and then you must turn on GPU watts first. Tap switch until blue to turn on. If off, tap switch until blue to turn on, and then tap widget list settings. Turn on GPU or GPU, CPU or GPU usage. Tap switch until blue. If off, you cannot open CPU or GPU usage menu. Tap switch until blue, and then you can open CPU or GPU usage menu. And then to enable GPU load, tap switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. Tap switch until blue to enable, or tap switch until white to disable. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.